So, if you decorate Kṛṣṇa, then you become decorated. If you satisfy Kṛṣṇa, then you become satisfied. If you offer nice foodstuff to Kṛṣṇa, then you eat them. Perhaps those who are outside the temple, they have never imagined such nice foodstuff. But because it is being offered to Kṛṣṇa, we have got the opportunity to take it. This is the pleasure. So you try to satisfy Kṛṣṇa in all respect, then he will be satisfied in all respect. This is, Kṛṣṇa does not require your service, but he kindly accepts. Sarva-dharmān parityajya ekaṁ śaraṇaṁ vraja. Kṛṣṇa is asking you that you surrender unto me. It does not mean that Kṛṣṇa is lacking one servant, and if you surrender, then he will be prohibited. Kṛṣṇa can create millions of servants by his only desire. So that is not the point. But if you surrender to Kṛṣṇa, you become saved. You become saved. That is your business. Kṛṣṇa says, ahaṁ tva sarva pape bhamokkhaiṣāve. You are suffering here. Just like without any shelter. You see so many people loiter in the street, no aim, no light. We go in the beach side, you see so many boys and girls without a aim, loitering, do not know what to do, all confused. But if you take shelter of Kṛṣṇa, then you will know, oh, I have got now shelter. There is no more confusion. There is no more hopelessness. You can understand it very well. And I receive so many letters daily, how they are hopeful in Kṛṣṇa consciousness. So, Kṛṣṇa has come here, has descended to collect some servant. That's not the fact. If we agree, instead of becoming Kṛṣṇa's servant, we are servant of so many things. We are servant of our senses and sense activities. Ekaṁ, krodh, lobh, moho. Actually the whole world is serving the senses. Servant of the senses. Godas. But if we engage the senses in the service of Kṛṣṇa, then we shall no longer remain the servant of the senses, we shall be the master of the senses. Because we shall not allow our senses to be engaged otherwise. That strength we shall get, and then we shall be saved. So here Kunti Devi is describing that your appearance in this material world is not misleading, bewildering. We are thinking that Kṛṣṇa has got some mission, some purpose, therefore he has appeared. No, it is his pastimes. It is pastime. Just like sometimes the governor goes to inspect the prison house. He has no business to go to the prison house. He is getting report from the superintendent. He doesn't. Still, sometimes he comes, let me see how they are doing. It is called pastime. It is his free will, not that he has become subjected to the prison laws and he has to come to the prison. No, not like that. But if the prisoners think, oh, here the governor is also in the prison, so we are equal. We are equal. I am also governor. The rascal thinks like that. Because Kṛṣṇa has come, descended, avatar, so I am also avatar. This rascaldom is going on.